Okay, now we need to pull our the GIF image. So in our state, so when we send our GJAT request, the spinner GIF image will be to show the spinner that is fetching the data. Okay, and let's remove this dummy states. And okay, choose state. And before choosing, we have to give a image. So we will use, let me increase image source will be image source will be asset as sorry use a blade syntax, and asset is a helper method to access the root absolute path of your uh, project URI. So asset, and in asset we have a slash image directory, and here will be a spinner dot gif. So we will pull that image, and ID will be loader, and we will set its style position will be absolute, because it's we are not using rotating this image anywhere, so we have to fix absolute position. So it is depend on us, so we can easily rotate on either position on the layout. And a right will be a minus 9x pixel, and top will be 9 pixel, and default display will be none. So let me first show the, then we will make it display none. Okay, save it. When we in our layout, so refresh, and we will see Control U to check the, there is a list of countries. So localhost image spinner. Let's see, sorry, there is no image. So you see asset method is using fetching your complete absolute URI. And okay, let's go to our public, where is our CSS HTML image will be stored. Public and image, there is a spinner.gf. So here, this is image is already there, img. Okay, save it and go to our browser, refresh. So not displaying yet. There is a gig, so we have a mistake in because this spinner. Let rename and get the exact name of the image and paste it. So Control S to save, come to a browser, refresh. Why it is not a refresh? So image is displaying. So we have an image that is displaying, we can see, and I think there is a margin issue that we have to set to show here because display is none. Okay, let's check it from here. So see, we are actually using this image tag inside the select option. So because we have to space this image and excluding this selected choose states to right side of this. So now this image spinner is now displaying. So we will set this to our AJAX request when we select our country. So it will fetch the result from our database. Okay, so this task is done. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and we will create our AJAX functions and some script.